Our Ethiopia branch-based Hebei machinery is one of the most professional local farm turnkey designer and poultry farm equipment manufacturer, such as chicken cages, feed mills, manure dryers, and so on. It is very popular and constantly receiving customers every day. We have a professional sales team to customize your farm plan, and our local employees make communication with you much easier from farm plan, quotation, payment, delivery, installation, and after service. Spot supplies with prompt delivery. Make the payment in the morning and arrange delivery in the afternoon or the next day. Our engineers bring rich experience in localizing poultry farms, making your farm more efficient and smart. Whether you are a beginner or expanding your farm, our technicians will customize your farm solutions from 100 chickens to over 1 million chickens. Contact us now.